Check this out. That didn't work. Hey, what's up everybody? Save money and time with this awesome clipboard hack. So which clipboard should you buy? There are actually quite a few different options out there. There's plastic ones, there's metal ones that you can open up and put documents in, but I'm going to suggest that you get a fiberboard clipboard because they're super duper cheap, they're super duper durable, you can throw it off a roof if you need to, and it's not going to break. And preferably get one that has this big clip on it. But what's the hack? A roofer showed me this back in 2003 on a huge hailstorm I went on in Overland Park, Kansas, and I've been using it ever since. So you'll need a fiberboard clipboard, a drawer liner, or a super duper cheap mouse pad, and some double-sided tape. That's all for today, everybody. Head on over to adjustertv.com/resources for more of the gear that I use. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'm very humbled by all the positive feedback that I've been getting. So thank you and have a great storm.